Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be on you, salam sejahtera. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Hello everyone, how was your day? I hope you are doing great. Have you prayed and praised to Allah who has given us the fresh air, food, water, and great time for enjoying all the activities? Did you help your mom cleaning the bedroom? Did you brush your teeth? Did you help mommy to prepare the breakfast? What food do you have today? Remember, don't be fussy either. You have to eat healthy food and say thanks to mommy who have cooked all the good nutrients that needed by your body to grow. Hello, I have a secret. Do you want to know what is that? Ta-da! We are going to make a healthy, tasty snack meals. Do you have any favorite foods for snack time? Yeah, we are going to make a healthy, tasty meal. Okay, we need this. Do you know what are these? Yeah, this is sweet potato and cassava. What we gonna do with this? Okay, check it out. Hey, don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water.
Here I have a pulled cassava and sweet potato, grated cheese, chocolate sprinkle, and condensed milk. Do you know? Both cassava and sweet potato are from South America. First of all, your mom can either steam or boil these roots until soft. Sweet potatoes are sweet root vegetables that are grown worldwide, native to Central and South America. By the 16th century, they were brought to the Africa, India, Indonesia, and Southern Asia by the Portuguese. They come in a variety of sizes and colors, including orange, white, and purple. Do you see what color are my sweet potato? Yeah, it's purple. You are free to choose your favorite one. Different with cassava, the sweet potato is creamy and soft enough to be an ingredient in making pie, pudding, or cake. Then, in the bowl, measure boiled or steamed sweet potato with fork, spoons, or mashers. Then form the mashed sweet potato like a ball. Drop the ball into condensed milk and roll onto the sprinkle or grated cheese. Next, repeat the steps to cassava. Cassava is a root vegetable native to South America. It is grown in tropical regions like Brazil and Indonesia. In the United States, cassava is often called yuca or Brazilian arrowroot. In Indonesian called singkong or ketela pohon. It can be eaten whole the roots, grated or ground into flour to make bread, crackers, and pepper. its leaves can be added to fish curry or just steam them with salt. In Padang, exactly West Sumatra, most people produce cassava chips like Sanjay Balado. You also find kacimui, katen, pari ayam, karpuat saga, sarang balam, and so many food that use cassava as raw materials. Yay, it's done! What do we call these balls? Should we name them choco pop, cheese balls, happy giant drops to make our day full of happiness? Or do you have any idea? Remember, always thanks to God for the meals that we have. Okay, let's pray. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina azabannar. Ya Allah, bless the food you have provided us and save us from the circle of hell. We can store some in the fridge, so we can eat one or two after the class.
Okay, that's all our activity today. I hope you enjoy your snack. And remember to enjoy eating another healthy food. Drink milk to help you grow and enough water. Have fun exercising and be good helping your parents. Keep good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. And brush your teeth every morning and before you go to sleep. And last of all, raise your eyes from the screen. Please share the video activities so I know that you made the delicious meal at home. Thanks for following. Stay happy because when we happy, we will stay healthy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you at another activity. Bye!